Welcome to Roland's R&D Centre in the beautiful surroundings of Lake Hamana in Hamamatsu. Now it's here that many of Roland's talented engineers create the technology you see in many of Roland's products. We have a fully equipped studio perfect for sampling. We even have an anechoic chamber for sampling sounds in total silence. And there's also an audio reference room. Now this is a bit like a concert hall and gives us a chance to check our instruments in a perfect acoustic environment. Here you can see the headquarters of Roland Corporation, located in Hamamatsu, Shizuoka, Japan, and the Acoustic Environment Laboratory, also situated on the same site. It features adjustable wall louvers that control the reverberation in the room and accurately simulate the various acoustic conditions of different sized concert halls. As you can imagine, Roland's factory has the very latest in machines and equipment. These include injection molding machines, where we make our actual keyboards for our synthesizers and our digital pianos. We have machines for the production of electronic components in our instruments too. We also design in-house our essential silicon chips, which feature in most of our products. The keyboard mechanism is understandably a crucial part in our digital pianos. We are always developing new ideas for improving the action, our goal being the ultimate in expressive control and sound. In 1990, Roland introduced a new keyboard mechanism called the Hammer Action keyboard, which for the first time had no spring attached. Its popularity resulted in its wide use in many of our digital pianos. The keyboard action continued in its development, resulting in the next big innovation, the progressive hammer action keyboard. Now the performer could feel a subtle difference in the weight of the keys from the top to the bottom, similar to an acoustic grand piano. Just like a traditional grand piano, the performer could now detect the virtual hammer and click feel when the key was fully depressed. In 2006, Roland introduced the new PHA2 Ivory feel keyboard, featuring not only the great authentic feel of a traditional piano keyboard, but now with a remarkably realistic ivory simulation for a natural looking white key, and for the black key, the ebony simulation. The combination of this new look, feel and touch response further enhanced the player's enjoyment. Roland's digital pianos are manufactured with the piano player's enjoyment and enthusiasm in mind. In addition to the superb piano sounds and keyboard action, some models feature onboard digital lesson functions. The combination of a touchscreen display and our DigiScore technology can also be seen in the high-end KR range and educational digital pianos. The moving key feature is built into some of our grand pianos. This player piano approach, combined with their beautiful luxuriant appearance, might explain their popularity in hotels and restaurants. The piano designer provides the ultimate control over fine-tuning the actual piano sound, made easy by the graphic interface. I'm standing here on the grounds of the Miyakoda factory in front of the testing lab, as you can see. Now, before Roland can guarantee the very best in quality and reliability, all our pianos must go through some very tough tests. Let's go and have a look. There are many kinds of testing equipment in the Miyakoda labs. In this one, you'll find the temperature and humidity testing machines. Our products must sometimes travel a long way. We need to be sure that they can survive the harsh temperatures and humidity of equatorial transportation, on a boat for example, or perhaps on a plane subjected to the extreme cold temperatures. All of our digital pianos must pass these durability tests to be approved. Have you ever wondered how many times a key can be played before it wears out? That's precisely what this Glissando durability test is for. All 88 keys are subjected to this constant stressful treatment night and day. By putting the piano through these extremes, we can be confident that it should last a very long time. As if the previous test isn't enough punishment for our keyboards, we then subject them to the key strike test. The pistons hit the keys up and down millions of times, once again assuring long life and a happy customer. Imagine the long-term vibration coming from a travelling truck. We design the packaging very carefully so we know our products will arrive totally unaffected. We have to be sure that our products could survive this kind of treatment unscathed during transportation. As well as durability, we also ensure that our products conform to rigorous worldwide environmental standards. In Japan, we have the largest class testing facility for electromagnetic compliance. It's here that every Roland electronic product is tested daily to make sure they satisfy the stringent and demanding international environmental regulations concerning electromagnetic interference. All of these tests prove Roland's total commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Is it any wonder Roland has such a great international reputation? Completed in 1997, a new factory in Miyakoda uses the unique cell production system that involves a single employee being responsible for assembling a product from start to finish. This increases efficiency and assures high quality. It's the ideal incentive for the craftsman with personal pride and company loyalty. Our advanced woodworking techniques, high-grade cabinet production and large-size keyboards are also produced here. As you can see by now, Roland makes every effort to continuously improve its quality control system in order to make more reliable digital pianos for all of our customers. Roland Japan was the first music company to achieve this highly rated and exacting quality control program in our main factory, being awarded the ISO 9000 series certificates worldwide. Here at the factory headquarters, you can see Roland's commitment to preserving the global environment, having acquired the ISO 14001 certification. Roland has constantly strived for perfection in its products. Our digital pianos are very much a representation of the company's policy of quality both in sound and production.